Well, the sanding is, I'll call it rough done. I oopsed in a couple of spots, like oops, and like oops, and like oops, and like a couple other like little spots, but and it's very like bumpy, uneven. Uh, that's probably because I gave up on hand sanding and just went and bought a flappy wheel. It's 40 grit, and it made short work of all that stuff that was there. Oh yeah, I also bought like a dremel kind of thing to finish up like the dumb spots. Uh, like I said, I left under here undone, just so the bridge is even. Like I know that's going to be straight with the neck. So, you know, it's not on an uneven surface, you know, like it's it's right, I hope. Um, but it's got character. Uh, I might just leave it bumpy, like very uneven, like very uneven, as you can tell. But come on, potato phone. There you go. But like it's got character and I like it. And I might just give it like an 80 grit. Maybe the one under that. I think it's 180 or 160. I don't know. I might hit it with both of those just to, smooth it out. So it isn't like, full of prickly bits. And then comes the stain. So, yeah. And then I've got to do the headstock is still like undone. So I'm probably going to do that next. I'm going to do it the same way. Like, it's going to be like this. Um, but I'm going to take the black off the headstock and just stain the top like I'm going to do with this. And I might paint the underside with give it the Krylon touch. Just with some gloss black. And yeah, so it's coming along. And yeah, I think that's going to be it for this one. And I will catch you on the next one.